Two trucks, same price, completely different worlds. For about $16,000, you could buy this 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 4x4 with only 119,000 miles. Although the seller doesn't even tell us which engine is under the hood, or you could have, for the very same money, you could buy a 1994 Stewart Stevenson M1078 military truck with just 2,500 miles on it. One is comfortable, familiar, and practical. The other is massive, Caterpillar-powered military 4x4 built to go places the Dodge probably wouldn't dare follow. So which one is actually the smarter buy? And which one would you take home? Let's examine both listings, compare what they're really getting you for your $16,000, and see whether extreme low mileage automatically means the better deal. Let's start with the truck most people would consider the sensible choice. The 2009 Dodge Ram 2500. This is a more familiar kind of truck for most buyers, a heavy-duty four-wheel drive pickup that can tow, haul, commute, and still be serviced by ordinary truck shops across the country. It has 119,000 miles, which sounds like a lot compared with the military truck, but for a well-maintained 3/4-ton pickup, the mileage is not automatically a deal breaker. The biggest problem with this listing is that the seller doesn't tell us which engine it has. If it's a diesel, it should be the 6.7-liter Cummins turbo diesel, an engine known for excellent torque, strong towing ability, and potentially very long service life. However, this generation has also came with more complicated emissions equipment and repairs involving the turbo, fuel systems, DPF, and EGR can become expensive. If it has the automatic transmission, we'd also want to know how it shifts and whether it has been properly serviced. If the truck has a gasoline engine, it may be cheaper and simpler to repair, but won't have the fuel economy, resale appeal, pulling power of the Cummins. The Ram's biggest strengths are practicality, highway comfort, parts availability, and everyday usability. Its biggest weaknesses are the unknown engine, limited details in the listing, and possibility that it's a 17-year-old heavy-duty truck has spent much of its life towing, hauling, or working hard. At $16,000, the condition and maintenance history will determine whether this is a solid truck or an expensive surprise. And here we have the 1994 Stewart Stevenson M1078 for $16,000. Listing states only 2,500 miles on the truck. Brand new Allison transmission, new fluids all the way around, new air filter, absolutely no rust on the truck, and nothing wrong with it. I am open to trades for dump trucks, Dodge W350s, and Dodge 3500s. I also have a matching 14-foot trailer that would go with it. More videos and photos available. I have 2 spare tires and rims that will go with it, as well as the fiberglass bench seat that mount to the bed. This is not just an old truck. It's a genuine military vehicle, and that alone makes it something very different from the average pickup on Facebook Marketplace. The M1078 is part of the LMTV family, which stands for Light Medium Tactical Vehicle, and it was built for military use in rough terrain, bad weather, and demanding conditions where an ordinary truck would quickly be out of its element. What makes this one especially interesting is the mileage, just 2,500 miles for a 1994, and that is shockingly low and immediately grabs your attention. Under the cab, it uses a Caterpillar 3116 6.6-liter turbo diesel inline 6. And one of the cool things about the engine is that it uses mechanical fuel injection rather than fully electronic setup. That gives you a certain appeal to people who like simpler, old-school diesel technology, much like myself. The M1078 also has serious off-road credibility, massive tires, high ground clearance, military-grade construction, and design that's all about durability rather than comfort. This is the kind of truck that looks like it could drive over just about anything in its path. Of course, there are trade-offs. It's big, slow, loud, and far less practical than a normal truck for everyday use. Parts and repairs can also be more specialized, especially when you're dealing with military systems like air brakes, CTIS, or heavy-duty components. Still, if you want something unique, rugged, and undeniably cool, this military truck definitely has a lot going for it. So, now that you've looked at both of these trucks, I want to hear from you. You have the same $16,000 budget. Are you choosing the familiar and practical 2009 Dodge Ram 2500 with 119,000 miles? or the incredibly unusual 1994 Stewart Stevenson M1078 military truck with only 2,500 miles. Let me know which one you would buy, and more importantly, tell me why. Is this practicality the deciding factor, or would you take the military truck simply because opportunities to own something like this don't come around very often? And if you enjoy this kind of content, you can be my best friend. Make sure you join us every Monday for Military Monday. Each week we are searching listings from across the country to keep our finger on the pulse of military vehicle pricing, what's available, and what sellers are asking, and whether these trucks are becoming bargains, investments, or increasingly expensive toys. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss the next one. And when this video ends, look for the link to our complete Military Monday playlist where you can watch all the military vehicles, unusual trucks, and marketplace finds we've covered in previous episodes. Thanks for watching, and now tell me, which one are you taking home for $16,000?